This is the Kiara Sky Jelly Tips Starter Kit, and it comes with everything you need to do a gel extension manicure at home. Gel extensions are basically a gel tip that's cured onto your natural nail. The kit comes with prep, primer, builder, top coat, 500 jelly tips of whatever shape you choose, and a Beyond Pro Flash Cure mini lamp. So let me show you how the kit works. The jelly tips are pre-made gel tips, and they come in a bunch of different shapes and lengths. I chose the short almond shape. I'm going to start by finding the appropriate sizes for all of my nails. Next, I'm going to use a buffer with a 220 grit and gently rough up my nail a bit. This is going to help prevent the jelly tips from lifting and help them adhere to my nail better. I'm going to apply a coat of the prep to each of my nails. This is basically like a dehydrator that's going to remove any excess oil. After that, I'm going to apply one coat of primer. This is going to help bond the jelly tips to my nails. Now I'm going to take my small eFile and roughen the inside part of the jelly tip that's going to be adhered to my nail. The one thing this kit doesn't come with is an eFile, which is annoying, but you can also just use a regular nail file to roughen the inside of the tip as best you can. Next, I apply a thin coat of the builder gel and cure each nail for 30 seconds. This is what's actually going to keep the jelly tips on for the 3 weeks they claim to last. Now it's time to actually apply the tips. You're going to do this step one nail at a time. Taking that same builder gel, I'm going to apply a layer on the inside of the jelly tip in the same place that I filed earlier, and then apply it to my nail from the cuticle up. Make sure you don't leave any air bubbles. Place the nail under the lamp and cure it for 40 seconds. Then repeat this process for all the other nails. Now that all my jelly tips are on and cured, I'm going to take my buffer and buff away this shiny top layer. After that, you can apply your color. I'm going with this red gel polish. I'm applying one layer, curing for 30 seconds, and then another layer and curing again for 30 seconds. I switched to my larger UV lamp for this part just to speed up the curing process. Once the color is all cured, I'm going to apply the top coat and cure my nails one last time for 60 seconds. Here's how my nails came out. I think once you get the hang of it, this kit is super easy to use and the results are so close to a salon gel extension manicure. And here's how they look 3 weeks later. They still look really good. Not a single one came off or broke, so I would definitely try this kit out again.